Hi, Molly B. Let's go see our buddies, okay? Yeah, here's our buddies. How you doing, Blaze? How you doing, Sierra? Maggie. Yeah, so we's all waiting to be fed. It's chow time in Kentucky. Yeah. So yeah, there's my dog and my horses. So it's a little warm out here. Yeah. Yeah, that's my buddy. This is my other buddy. Yeah. Maggie May. Sierra. And Harley. How you doing? How's my boys and girls? 2 and 2. And as always, we'll leave the porch light on for you. Here at Rock House Way. You all come and visit. Bye now.